Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Product Quick View Lightbox in Squarespace. Whether you're launching a new product or simply want to enhance the shopping experience on your site, this tutorial will guide you step by step so your product images truly stand out while giving your visitors a seamless shopping experience. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you're like me and sometimes forget your password, you can save time by using the Continue with Google option for a convenient, hassle-free login. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your websites. Select the one you'd like to modify, and let's get started. Next, head over to the Edit option. This is where the magic happens. On your editing dashboard, locate the button that says Add Block. This tool lets you insert all kinds of elements like text, videos, or in our case, a product view. Click on Product, then search for the specific product you want to highlight in your quick view. Pro tip, having the product name or SKU handy makes this step much faster. Once your product is selected, look for the little pencil icon. Nope, that's your edit tool. Click it to unlock the customization options. Now head to the Design tab. This is where you'll find the toggle for Product Quick View. Switch it on, and your customers will now be able to preview your product in a lightbox without leaving the page. When you're happy with your setup, don't forget to hit Save and Exit. This ensures all your changes are safely stored. Now, for extra customization, you can go a step further with Custom CSS. From the main menu, go to Pages, then Website Tools, and open the Custom CSS panel. I know coding might sound intimidating, but adding just a line or two of CSS can completely transform the appearance of your lightbox. For example, you can adjust padding, change button colors, or even tweak the background style. Type your code carefully, check the live preview on the right, and when you're satisfied, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Product Quick View Lightbox in Squarespace. Remember, first impressions matter. An eye-catching product display can boost engagement, build trust, and even increase sales. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles until you find the look that best fits your brand. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments what feature you'd like me to cover next.